SolidGigs Freelance, honest review, watch before using. If you're looking for an efficient way to find high-quality freelance jobs, SolidGigs might be a platform you've come across. In this review, I'll break down the key features, who it's for, and whether it's worth your time. Links to the product are in the description below. SolidGigs is designed to help freelancers find the best job opportunities without wasting time scrolling through endless listings. Unlike other freelance platforms, it curates a list of top gigs every week, saving you hours of searching. This is perfect for freelancers who want to focus on their craft instead of hunting for work. The service covers various industries, including writing, design, development, marketing, and more. The job opportunities come from top websites like We Work Remotely, FlexJobs, and others, which means you're seeing quality offers right from the start. One of SolidGigs' standout features is its hand-picked job lists. Every week, a team of experts goes through job postings to make sure you're getting the best opportunities in your niche. For new freelancers, this can be especially helpful, as it can be overwhelming to figure out where to start. The platform also offers additional resources like email templates, contracts, and proposals to streamline your process, which is a huge plus. The downside? It's a paid service. While it does offer a 30-day free trial, the subscription fee can be a barrier for some. But if you're a freelancer who's been struggling to find consistent work, or you're tired of sifting through irrelevant job posts, it could be worth the investment. So is SolidGigs worth it? If you're a freelancer looking to save time and connect with high-quality opportunities quickly, SolidGigs is a solid choice. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. This helps us reach more people and gives you access to more useful reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.